Yo, what's going on? It's Elusive here, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing some more interesting stuff. Not really that fun stuff, but we got some stuff here to show you guys. So today we're finally putting on the red Honda badges for the red RSX. These have been sitting in my basement for like 2 years now. These have been off the silver RSX. So they're OEM Honda, as you can see. Or not see. It says OEM Honda. There you go. Honda right there. Honda right there under the Gorilla Glue. So yeah, I took this piece off. Pretty simple to take off. It's going to be right next to the radiator. It's going to be a bunch of push pins, and then the bottom has push pins too. So not too hard to take out. The hardest part is to take out the bottom push pins, but that's really the hardest part. And this guy's going to be held in by screws. And then I also have a few more things to tell you guys about the red RSX. So the car has not been driven yet. The base map hasn't been loaded on yet for multiple reasons. The first reason being K-Tuner. K-Tuner was not working with my laptop for whatever reason. We're having a problem where my K-Tuner would not connect to my laptop. So unfortunately the RSX has been down because of that, unfortunately. And as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see or not, but in dust it says fix me. You probably can't see it. Oh, there you go. Fix me. I wrote that a while ago. So it's just been sitting for a while. And yeah, it hasn't been driven, but yeah, as you guys can see, here's gonna be the setup. Right now it's on trickle charger, and we got to plug these two holes in the intake. We had to make the intake a little different to fit in the K24. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's all done. It just has to be tuned. Unfortunately, that's the holdup. So I got the K-Tuner from HA Motorsports. They're a good company. I won't shit on them because they have some good products and shit. And they do have good customer support. It ended up just not working out in my favor. So it ended up just being, they went on some summer vacation or some shit. So congrats to you guys. You got summer vacation. That's awesome. They had a whole week off, which was the week that my RSX needed the K-Tuner to get downloaded and shit. So unfortunately, I had to wait another week. So now it's officially going to be sent over to them. So the K-Tuner has been sent over. My ECU has been sent over to them to fix because I don't know why it's not working. And that's kind of their job to fix it because I bought it from them. And that was the whole reason I bought it from them, so they could fix it. So hopefully they do fix it. But in the meantime, I got nothing else to do with this car. It's dusty as fuck. And I just hate not being able to drive it. So today we're going to be installing the badges, like I said. We also got the badges for the center caps. So right now the center caps just say Acura. Obviously, not trust the badges. The new center caps will be the red Honda ones. I do have black Honda ones if I'm not a big fan of these. But they are OEM as Honda as well. These are all OEM Honda stuff. No fucking around out here, boys. And this guys pretty simple. So all we do is take out the two screws back here. Take that out, we'll screw the new one in, and then we'll see how it looks. So I went ahead and took off the Acura caps as well. I can't decide which ones I want. I can't decide if I want the black or the red Honda center caps. I feel like I'm gonna go with the black more because I feel like it just looks better. They're both OEM. They're both OEM and shit. But I think the black would look a little better, seeing as how the Acura ones were black to begin with. I haven't decided yet. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments. I'm going to put the black on for now. I think it's going to look a little better, but I had these from like 2 years ago already too. These are actually my junkyard, so shout out that guy who I took them off of. Shout out you guys. So yeah, I got this guy on. Pretty easy, like I said, 2 screws, bolts right up. It's an 05 thing part, so no modifications required. It's all polished, nice and new. Yeah, this is, like I said, this has been sitting in my basement for probably over 2 years now. So about time it got put on. So now we're gonna put this guy back in. Now this is pretty simple. All you do is slide it underneath. Just goes under here. The only thing that sucks is that the stupid thing is here and you can't put it straight down, but not a big deal. That's the only problem. That's that, and all I gotta do now is put the push pins in, and this guy will be good to go, and then we'll be on to the back. Alright, so this guy is all on, as you can see. Pretty simple. OEM. Everything fit as it's supposed to, and yeah, here's the red emblem on the front here. Obviously we won't get any good videos or pictures of it until we're out of the garage, until we're fully fixed and shit, but it is what it is. I lost one little clippy boy. Unfortunately I could not find another clippy boy, so for now it'll be empty. We'll figure that out eventually. I'll find one eventually and just throw it in there. But yeah, now we're moving on to the rear. So this is also pretty simple. The only thing this is held in by is by by nothing. Okay, well, there you go. There's your answer, what it's held in by. Absolutely nothing. Just 2 little clippy boys. It's like that, 2 little pins actually, not clips. But yeah, those guys just came out. I'm gonna give her a good wipe down, and then we'll put the new one on. I'm kind of surprised that held in there with how little that was in there for. But yeah, I guess I won't complain. So yeah, I'll wipe it down, and then I'll be sticking these ones. Like I said, it's still OEM. It's literally from a DC5 Type R. So this guy will be going right there where the pins were, and I'll be gluing this one down, not gluing it, but Gorilla gluing it down just so it doesn't go anywhere. I don't know how that one stayed in there, I'll be honest. So yeah, I cleaned off the area here. Wasn't very dirty at all. Hello, you can see me. Hello. Wasn't very dirty, and I got the adhesive off. So now we're just gonna throw it right in, and we'll see how it looks. I don't know what happened here, but as you can see, a little bit of the chunk of the logo got taken off. Pretty upset about that. I don't know what happened here, but yeah, it got chipped off or something. I don't know what happened, but yeah, it looks really good. Besides that whole chunk missing, I tapped it down a little bit. I just noticed that when I was putting it on, what the fuck is that black mark? I was like, wait, what the fuck is that mark? So yeah, that was pretty upsetting. I don't know why that's there, but yeah, it looks pretty good. Like I said, OEM, fucked up the badge in the rear, whatever. You can always get a new one if I want to, but for now it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Like I said, I'm sorry I can't get outside pics. It's also pouring out right now, so that wouldn't be any ideal pictures. But yeah, once this thing is running again, we'll be getting some good pictures and stuff. But that's the rear, how it's looking. What are your guys' thoughts? Looks kind of like a white logo because it's on a red car. And then yeah, here's the front again. Hard to see, I know, I apologize, bad lighting, I know. Quick little project here to show you guys what's going on with the RSX. But yeah, that's that. And then we're also going to be putting in the center caps, like I said. So we're going to go with the black ones. I feel like that's the move right now. So we'll throw these guys in. I guess I can't complain too much about the rear logo. I got it for free from my brother, so I can't complain too much about it. It looks alright. So yeah, we'll throw these guys in. Just like that. OEM as fuck, boy. So yeah, last center cap is in. We're all Honda'd out. Now everything is Honda. No more Acura in this car at all. Everything is Honda'd. So yeah, everything's looking pretty good. Besides this fucking crack. So pissed. I don't know how that even happened. Swear to God it wasn't there. But yeah, it is what it is. And we make it looking pretty good. So that's that. Now it's a Type R, as you can see. No, I'm just kidding. Not Type R. Everything's Honda now. The one wheel. Got the badges. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys, today. So not a long video today, just kind of going over what's going on with the red RSX, why it's not been running, why there's been no videos about it. So that's why there's been no videos, because we've been waiting on K-Tuner, and unfortunately that's the way it went. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your guys' thoughts on the badges. I like them. They're OEM, so you can't complain. And yeah, like I said, I'm excited for more K24 stuff. This thing should be getting ran soon. It's unfortunately down for other means right now, which is whatever. At least it wasn't some engine related. So yeah, with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video. Adios, motherfuckers. Take care.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you try.